Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the App Store password requirement. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's start with the method 1, that is to use Face ID for app downloads. So to do that, simply open settings, and once you have opened settings, simply scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode to access the settings. Now find the option that says Use Face ID for and turn on iTunes and App Store. And once enabled, you won't need to type your password and you can simply use Face ID to approve downloads. Now with that, let's move forward to the method 2, that is to disable password requirement. So for a completely password free experience, you need to go back to the settings and from here you need to tap on screen time. Now once you are in the screen time section, simply scroll down and select content and privacy restriction. Now here make sure that it's turned on and then tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Now here look for required password and set it to don't require. And if you have a screen time password, you may need to enter it to confirm the changes. And that's it. Now you can download apps without entering a password every time. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.